make korokke.
Yeah.
We start by chopping the onions. Right?
Chopping the onion.
How come you're not crying?
I'm not crying. I don't cry for onion.
Oh, okay.
Some people does. Some people bite onion. I put in a skillet. Put a little bit fried oil. Maybe 1 tablespoon. Okay. And
Okay.
shave carrot.
Shave the carrots.
Okay. And they chop the carrot small. Then they cut the mushroom.
You cut pretty good, huh, Joseph?
Yeah. I've been doing 50 years.
I guess that makes you good.
Yeah. Okay.
I smell your onions starting to fry.
Yeah.
All of this goes inside a korokke?
Okay. Okay. Just leave it like this. Okay, now make potato.
Now here's the secret to easy cooking. Instead of boiling a potato, use instant mashed potatoes.
I made a cup of sugar, so I remember. 1 cup. 2 cup.
Any store-bought instant mashed potatoes will
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
2.5 cups,
Yeah.
about.
Yeah. And just put the water.
You don't use milk?
No, just water. 1 cup of water.
About 1 cup of water, and then you're going to end up making it till it's the consistency of potato, of mashed potatoes.
1 cup, 2 cup. 2 cup.
Don't forget to add salt and pepper.
Okay.
Add the fried vegetables to the instant potatoes that you just made with just water and instant potatoes, no milk. And stir hard. That's the consistency you're looking for.
Try to the pepper crazy.
And then make them into sort of hand-sized balls.
Yeah, we
Rolls.
make that 1 small that potato. Small potato.
About the size of a small potato.
Yeah. And the
Now you're going to mix the egg with a
With the
tiny
water.
bit of water.
Yeah.
I think there's 3 eggs in there, right?
Stick better. Okay. And this one go like this.
Yep.
Load it.
You're going to use the 3 dip technique. You're going to use flour, then egg,
Yeah.
then panko.
And watch them how they Croquettes is in the secret that to make it. Okay, I'm gonna make a 4 and fry
Okay.
that and make feel. Okay. Wait, let me see. ね。で、こうやってプットエッグするんでしょこうやってさ。Yeah?
Okay, the flour makes the egg stick, and the egg makes the panko stick.
Cover with the panko and they push it. Here come korokke.
And now it's korokke
Yeah.
shape. So the ball became flat. Flatter.
They put them in here and they cover and they push it. Not like all the way. See here.
Gently push down. And there's 4 korokke.
Just fry.
Next step is just fry.
Yeah, and they eat it.
Now comes the fun part, frying it. What's the temperature of the oil?
375
Okay.
or 350. Hot is better.
About how long do they fry?
Just get the brown down.
3 minutes, 2 minutes?
I don't know. Get the brown, maybe 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You let it cook a little and then turn it over?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, once it browns on one side, flip it over. You see about how brown you want it to start to be?
Because already inside the mashed potato is cooked.
Yeah.
So. And just let them get all brown and done. Okay, done. Take them off.
Put them in a pan to let the oil
Hold
drip
that.
off, drain off. And you have korokke without having to spend time baking the potato first.
Yeah, it's korokke.
Shred some lettuce. Or
And
cabbage, I
tomato
mean. Not
and-
lettuce, right?
Cabbage.
Shred
Cabbage.
some cabbage, put a little tomato. Once they cool, you're going to eat it.
Done.
Add a little tonkatsu sauce.
In here.
A little across the top, yeah.
Here you go. Okay.
And there you go. Korokke
Mashed potato korokke.